Do/does plus subject plus V1. Do/does plus subject plus V1. We. Question word plus do/does plus subject plus V1. 1. Does he read a book? 1. Liest er ein Buch? 2. Do I give you a pen? 2. Soll ich dir einen Stift geben? 3. Does your mother love you? 3. Liebt dich deine Mutter? 4. Why does she come here? 4. Warum kommt sie hierher? 5. Which book do you want? 5. Welches Buch möchten Sie? 6. When does he go to school? 6. Wann geht er zur Schule? 7. How many pencils do they want? 7. Wie viele Stifte möchten Sie? 8. Who comes to your house daily? 8. Wer kommt täglich zu Ihnen nach Hause? 9. Does she not write a letter? 9. Schreibt sie keinen Brief? 10. Who doesn't like milk? 10. Wer mag keine Milch?
In interrogative sentences, does is used before the third person noun subjects in a singular number, and the first form of the verb does not have s or eis. See sentences 1 and 3 above.
1. Does he read a book? 3. Does your mother love you?
Before I, you, we, they, and other subjects in plural number do is used, and then verb in the first form is used. See sentence number 2 above.
2. Do I give you a pen?
Interrogative sentences beginning with question words like what, where, why, when. Where, how, etc. Do or does is used before the subject. As shown in sentences 4 and 6 above.
4. Why does she come here? 6. When does he go to school?
If the do/does question words are used as adjective in the sentence, then the concerning noun words may immediately follow them. See sentences 5 and 7 above.
Which book do you want? How many pencils do they want?
If the do/does question word itself functions as a subject, then it follows the main verb im. Directly as shown in sentence number 8 above.
Who comes to your house daily?
Do/does are not written in such situations. Interrogative, negative sentences can also be framed following the rules given above. Along with adding not after the subject word as given in sentence number 9.
Does she not write a letter?
Interrogative, negative sentences beginning with which question words functioning as subject take do or does before not. For example, see sentence number 10 above.
Who doesn't like milk?
Use the mark of interrogation (?) at the end of these sentences.